Lexus seems to be stepping up their game in the design department. They used to be very bland, but then we started seeing cars like the LFA and the LFLC. And now, Lexus has added a more powerful version of the RC. It's called the F. This car seems to have taken stylistic cues from the LFLC concept, such as the fancy grille and headlights, which people seem to either love or hate. The RCF is a much more aggressive looking animal than the base RC. It has a carbon fiber roof, hood vents, and an active spoiler that raises at 50 miles per hour. The interior is that of a typical Lexus, though it does have some carbon fiber bits. It has some of the best looking wheels I've seen. Unlike the base model, the RCF has a 5-liter V8 producing about 450 horsepower, which Lexus claims is their most powerful V8 to date. And the best thing? This car will be going into production. Would you buy this car as your daily driver? Voice your opinion in a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Twitter for more automotive action. This is DT Rockstar 1. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.